Hey, good morning. Jim here with Racers and Rods in Temple Terrace, Florida this morning for the Detail Garage Cars and Chrome little Cars and Coffee event here this morning. A lot of cars here today, a lot of club sponsorship and activity. So we're going around, we're doing some videos, checking out the cars, a lot of cool stuff. I'm here with, behind me, with my new buddies. This is Southern Mopar Crew. You're gonna be seeing a lot with them. We're gonna be doing some stuff with them here real soon. A bunch of cool Mopars, got a lot of stuff going on. So check them out on Facebook, Southern Mopar Crew, and check us out on YouTube. Like and subscribe. Tell us what you think about the channel. Of course, we're Racers and Rods. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Tell me what you're driving.
Oh, yo, man, this is a 580-2 2016 Lamborghini Huracan. Man, it's got the complete voice sounder package. Man, absolute love, man. Thanks for the love, bro. I appreciate it. Let's go.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Relevant lane to take the fast track back into the start of the game and change the play. Now living with this past the race, checking over that shoulder, thinking us and his James. He's hesitating for a second at most. Another champagne way to raise the glass for the toast. A VIP with his name illuminated in caps. A variation in production, manufacturing facts. Rolling richer than the rest of us. Tip the balance for the best of us. Getting busy on that upper crust. In the club, they be living notorious. Other opposition left for dust, but he's running out of friends to trust. That's why he's careful overtaking us, cause in the fast lane, they living notorious. He's pushing up his feet, call it gratuity. All while the neighborhood was praying for some gravity. Fools thinking it's an elegant plan. I understand that they're standing up under this man. He's the boss of the ghetto, the king of the hill. All the fame and the glamour and his rides be ill. My money, eyes honey and his hands on stacks. But when they roll up to his limo, they're sending his taxes back. Rolling richer than the rest of us. Tip the balance for the best of us. Getting busy on that upper crust. In the club, they be living notorious. Other opposition left for dust, but he's running running out of friends to trust. That's why he's careful overtaking us, cause in the fast lane they live notorious. Seeds of vanity to final fantasy. He's only ever been the master of monopoly. Rules like a rebel and gives a stack back, but lies like a villain and tries to backtrack. Killing time to formulate a better design. He denies all knowledge of his previous lies. Takes a ride through the city.
Tell me a little bit about what year is it?
It's a 1965 Ford Falcon. It's got a 302 V8. It was swapped before I bought it, so whoever did it last was pretty good with it. So I mean, it's all original in the interior. All that's original, except for the radio and the steering wheel.
Very cool.
Everything works in it still. The top is electric, so it comes up and down. I mean, I barely had any problems with it.
Nice.
About. I once was a musket before my record came out. I grew and I grew and I grew without a crew or a shoulder to lean on. Know who or what to do. Like you, I'm programmed never to stop. Just like heavy cream, yo, I'm rising to the top. I started at the bottom and I'm on my ascent. I'm a damn good investment, money well spent. It's good to be free, it's good to be me. It's good to spend my life in bondage and break free. It's good to fight authority and still respect seniority. It's good that I'm responsible for every single part of me. Dream big, just like getting lotto. I'm the kid to follow, that's always been my motto. Gordon Gecko of the ghetto. I'm grabbing hold of shooting stars and never let go. All the police, them come from downtown. Speak to the rhythm and make a no sound. Stick them up and draw them guns down. Hip-hop heroes that come from downtown. Never stop, they come from downtown. Hip-hop heroes that come from downtown. Keep them up and keep them heads down. Hip-hop heroes that come from downtown. Life is a dream, or is it a trick? I'm looking for a cure to keep them getting sick. It's getting hard to breathe, this air is so thick. Somebody here with quick and I fly like Saint Nick. We all need heroes, someone to emulate and to learn from. Teachers to make you do great things. Turn from dogs to thugs and other hate things. Earn your jeans fresh and clean like mountain springs. I look to the beat kings, the very first one. Hip-hop forefathers and their prodigal sons who rapped about history. Unlock the briefcase, step the secrets of hip-hop. We're all the same race. Hip-hop ain't about skin tone and big clothes. Everyone's face has two eyes and one nose. I'm laying it down, I got no fear. All I care about is you can hear you got two ears. Mixtape from the back of my car, filling the airwaves with my rants and raves from the pimped out booth in my own back cave. I started off making dope beats, mixing sounds in my head from the sounds in the streets. It wasn't about the money, but more what I could teach. Like a tidal wave, I'm ready to run up on the beach. I maneuver my opponents with turrets and fists of rage. I hit them across the face with wisdom beyond their age. I tell you about the bad, I teach you about the good. There are only lessons you can learn by living in the hood. Like a sage with a stun, and I set my rhymes on stun. It's fun, I see I got the phony rappers on the run. When they hear me, they fear me. They really should be scared of me, like staring down the barrel of a big shotgun. Drop one, drop two, drop down to your knees. I drop dope beats like I drop MC. Ain't gotta thank me, cause I know you be down with the hip-hop heroes that come from downtown. Call the police, they come from downtown. Speak to the rhythm and make a new sound. Stick them up and draw them.
Yo. Sometimes I have to question my ability. Is it really worth pursuing a career with no stability? 1 minute you're here, next minute you're gone. It's like you just disappear when they finish playing your song. I'ma keep on, keep strong, beat on track. What's to stop us if our lyrics and our beats sound fat? It's not as if our lyrics or our beats sound whack. So tell us why you wanna try and keep links back. We're doing this for the love, we're doing it to express, we're doing it for the fun, we're doing it at our best. Using it like a gun to hit you up in your chest. That's how I know that there's none that couldn't give us respect. I feel the weight of time every time I try to step, but staying up in my drum is long. I think that I've slept long enough. Even though I know I'm gonna be, I can't help stating the facts because I wanna be a somebody. Sick of being a nobody, but I wanna be a somebody. I wanna be a somebody. I've got to be a somebody. I'm sick of being a nobody. So I hit the earth with a verse that'll blow your mind. So precise, my heart beats the metronome of time. Close my eyes and visualize flows that rise from the inner depths of my soul and open wide. See, I'm getting chased by this local crime. There's too many ropes to climb, and I just wanna rhyme till my throat's a mime and host a line to translate my speech to a ghostly sign. It's only my true self I hope to find, but pollution in the shitty city chokes my mind. Them people, them give me set modes to life and expect me to follow cause I'm oversized, but that won't dishearten my growth tonight or growth today. I grow for life, the most precise. Link side slide for life. I fight with mics for life cause my life is mine. Sick of being one day I will be a somebody. Just a regular no from the street. I'm sick of being nobody. I'm sick of being a nobody, but I wanna be a somebody. I wanna be a somebody. I've got to be a somebody. I'm sick of being nobody.
Let me flip this script. I feel privileged for all who can witness this. I am close to divine. Know the moment is mine, need an omen or sign. Providing a back sound to all the squares that ask around. We getting it. My skills pay me. Trying to get a million, baby, with an adopted flow that God gave me. Tell whoever runners that they spot is temporary till I take it as mine. I'm selfish. Yo, will tell Miss I'm on my wealth tip. So when we cash out soon, I'm just investing. Hey, no yes men. I've been a legend since before mom and dad had me and was best friends. I chew through comp, don't test them. I chew on tracks cause after that I bless them. I just do what I do. You see me? I just do what I do. I just do what I do. I don't know about you. I just do what I do. Check. I just do what I do. You see me? I just do what I do. Feel me? I just do what I do. I don't know about you. I just do what I do. Listen to this rhyming exhibition. I'm something you ain't seen like an honest politician. This ain't just head hitting. A lot of pinched nerves on necks are caused by bars that bless spitting. Wait, don't hate. I just move how I move. I can't describe what it is. I just do what I do. I am better than any rapper from here to wherever, and my legacy will harass my offsprings forever. I flow it right better than any. I'm the hottest, and trust me, that's not being conceited. That's being modest. I'm being honest.